Divisional Railway Manager, Varanasi, Shri Vineet Kumar Srivastav has extended his heartfelt greetings and best wishes to the railway employees, officers and rail users on the Festival of Love and Harmony, Holi. GOI correspondent. Varanasi, the 13th of March, Varanasi Division Administrative of Northeastern Railway is sensitive towards the safety of passengers. Keeping in mind the Holi festival, Divisional Railway Manager Shri Vineet Kumar Srivastav has appealed to the general public not to throw cow dung, mud, stones etc. on the moving train. This can injure the loco pilot guard, passengers and railway workers. Cooperate with the railway administration in maintaining cleanliness in the station and trains. Passengers should not travel by sitting on the roof of the trains, coupling or hanging on the footrest. Use the foot overbridge to go from one platform to another at the station. Do not travel with explosives and inflammable substances during the journey and do not accept food items from any unknown person, it may contain poison. Do not fall into the clutches of brokers for your travel ticket. Always get travel tickets from railway ticket counters or IRCTC website or from IRCTC's authorized agent. Holi special trains are being operated for major cities. Make your journey pleasant by reserving berths in these trains. For any assistance during the journey, dial helpline number 139. In this sequence, the Divisional Railway Manager has set up control rooms at Varanasi Divisional Office and major stations to provide 24-hour monitoring and service on the occasion of Holi from Saturday the 15th of March 2025 to the 18th of March 2025. Also, on the basis of the estimate of possible increase in passenger traffic at the stations of the division during this and Ballia stations of Varanasi Division to handle any situation, from where the concerned officers and SENA supervisors will keep a complete watch on the passengers coming and going during Holi festival, and all the activities of the station will be monitored closely by them. During this time, monitoring and guidelines will be broadcast 24 hours a day from the control room set up in Varanasi Division Office till the end of Holi festival. Senior Divisional Commercial Manager Mr. Sheikh Raymond, Senior Divisional Operations Manager Mr. A.P. Singh, Senior Divisional Signal and Telecommunication Engineer Mr. Rajat Priya, Senior Divisional Mechanical Engineer Carriage and Wagon Mr. Anubhav Pathak, Divisional Commercial Manager Mr. Ramesh Pandey, Divisional Operations Manager Mr. Ratan Deep Gupta, Divisional Electrical Ramdiyal, Assistant Commercial Man. Varanasi Division, NE Railwaker Singh Rawat and Pashupatinath. Ploy. 21H FROM's control rooms have been set up at Chhapra Junction, Siwan Junction, Mao, Deoria Southern. Mishra along with divisional and assistant divisional officers have been deputed in Varanasi control room.